Hello and welcome to this tutorial on adding and editing products in your Elastic shopping cart. I'm going to start by opening the Chrome browser to have a look at my home page. Now on this home page you'll notice that I've got some products already added. The two that we're interested in are these bottom two. The one on the left here doesn't have any variations. The product on the right does use variations. Let's look at this one on the left first by seeing what features are there. The first thing is this Add button. Now this appears because there are no variations and there is only one choice for this particular product. You can buy this car at this price and that is it. And that's why the Add button is able to be there. This product on the right here has variation. There's a number of choices that you can make. It could be bottle size, colour, style, shape, whatever's appropriate for your products. You can't click the Add button here because we don't know which product you want, and the price is actually a range. It shows the cheapest to the most expensive version of that product. Let's start by looking at the product with no variations. I'll click on the image and go to the page, and what you'll notice is that this product has a variety of features. The product name, the code, a short description of the product, the price of the product, the space where you can add to cart and select, you can see the stock quantity here, and a number of images for that particular product. You can also have more detailed information underneath and show the shipping charges for that product. Going back to the home page, we can have a look at the product that has variations. This one over here, when I click on the image and have a look at it, you'll notice that not only does it have the product name, the code, the information, but instead of having an Add to Cart button here, it's got this new area over on the right. This is a table that shows all the different variations available for this product. You can have colors, sizes, or any other type of variation that's appropriate. Each variation can have a different price, and each variation can have a different stock quantity to help you manage your stock. Let's look at how this is all set up. If I scroll to the bottom of my screen and click the login link, I can log into my site. If you can't remember your login details, remember you can always click the password recovery link, enter your admin email address and hit submit, and that'll send out your username and password. However, in this case I know my login details, so I'm just going to log in. Scrolling over to the left, I'll see there's a section called plugin features, and here is a link for the shopping cart. Now this is only here if you've installed the shopping cart plugin. I'm interested today in two sections, the variations and the add/edit product section there. If I click on variations to begin with, we can see the sort of variations that we can enter. When you first set up your site, the only one showing here is no variation. That means just a standalone product, you can just buy it, and that's it. One price, one product. However, you may have other variations that you want to add, and you can do that by clicking on the Add New Variations link at the top here. The cart we were just looking at was using this variation, size and color, one that I'd added earlier. Let's hit Edit and have a look at what this variation looks like. Here's the title of the variation, size and color. And I've used two variables here. Now you don't have to, you can just have one type of variation, say color. But if you have two, color and size, you can put combinations together. So under color I've put black, comma, red. If I've got more colors, I use more commas and the colors. And under size I've put small and large, and the same, I'll put another comma and another size if there is one. What will happen on our variations page is that it'll create a black product in small, and a black product in large, and a red product in small, and a red product in large. Now it's important to get your variations right at the start because you don't want to change them after creation. So when you're sure that these are correct, that's when you can start adding them to products. Now I'll go to my, I'll save that and go back to my list of variations, and I'll scroll back over to shopping cart and click on add edit products. Now the product that doesn't have variations we'll start with. So you can see here under variation no, that's because there's no variations for that product. I'll click the edit link and have a look at what I've got here. There's my product code, my product name. This metadata is what Google uses, so there's a product title, some information about the product, and that's the page address of the product page. I can select a different header image per product, and this display on pages section determines which pages the product shows on. I can show it on all of my pages, or I might have just a Toyota page that just shows the product Toyota. Under short description, I have just a little bit of info about that product, and under description I'd normally have here more detailed technical information about that product. Scrolling down here you can see all of the images. If I want to add a new image, or let's say I want to remove an image, I can click the remove link and that image will disappear, and I can choose a new image to upload. I can have up to 8 images in this section. Find the image, click open, and you'll notice that it actually starts uploading automatically, and there it is. Because I'm not using variations, I need to adjust my stock levels in this area here. You'll notice that you've got your levels of stock here. It's saying I've got 1 available, I've got no orders for that product, and which means my stock level is 1. If I wanted to add more stock, I'd add a 1. If I wanted to take stock away, I can use the minus sign to remove stock. I can adjust my price, adjust my postage charges just here. Now this tick box here is the one that shows the stock levels in your cart. If it's unticked, people can't tell what your stock level is, and if it's ticked, they can see the stock level. I recommend having it ticked so that people know what the stock levels are. This tick box here, allow orders in excess of stock levels, means that people can order more than what you've got. So you might have 10 on hand, you can have it unticked, which means they can't order any more than 10, or you can have it ticked, which means they can order as many as they like. Down here, this product has no variations, so the no variation option here is selected. You can choose other variations if you like, but I'm going to stick with no variation for this particular product. Click Save and View, and when we have a look at the product, you can see here's all of that information. Let's go back to our home page, because this time we're going to edit the product that does have variations. This one over here, the Toyota Echo with variations. If I go to my dashboard, or I can go back to shopping cart, go to add edit products, and this is the one, Toyota Echo with variations. Click on edit. Everything else here is the same, okay, the pages. If I check this one here, automatically check new pages, it means that this product will appear on every brand new page that I add. There's my short description, my full description. Here are my images that I can add just here. Now, the stock level and the price here, I'm not going to use that for products that have variations. I'm going to come down to this box that's been created down here. And you'll see all my variations that we created earlier. Black and small, black and large, red and small, red and large. I can change the price here. Maybe smalls are going to be $40 and larges are going to be $50. I can see here how many is available. I've got one available, no orders, one in stock. The black large, I've got 4 of them available, but I've got 1 order pending. So I've actually only got 3 in stock because I don't want to sell items that I've already sold. If I want, I can add specific product photos for the different sizes if required. But I'm happy with this, so I'm going to click Save and View. And look at the product page for this particular product. And we can see it here. Here's my new image that I added. Here are all my variation images over here. I've got all of my variations, and you can see here that the price has changed. So small products are $40, large products are $50. I've got 1 black small in stock, 3 black large in stock, 2 red small in stock, and 7 red large in stock. So now that variations are set up, my product is available and can be sold in different size combinations.